If Discord is giving you error code 2007, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen because of corrupted cache files, permission problems, or even a graphics setting inside Discord. The good news is that you can fix it without advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to disable hardware acceleration inside Discord. Open Discord on your computer. Then look down to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open User Settings. Once the Settings menu opens, scroll down the left sidebar until you find Advanced, then click it. On this page, look for hardware acceleration and toggle it off. When Discord asks you to confirm, click OK. After that, make sure you fully close Discord and relaunch it. This step is important because hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with Discord and trigger error code 2007, so turning it off gives the app a clean restart. If the error is still there, the next fix is to run Discord as an administrator. First, close Discord completely. To do that, right-click the Discord icon in the system tray near your clock and choose Quit Discord. This makes sure the app is not still running in the background. Now go to the Windows search bar, type Discord, and when the app appears, right-click it. From the menu, select Run as Administrator. Running Discord with admin privileges can fix permission-related problems that may be causing the error, especially if the app is struggling to access certain system files or settings. Now let's move on to the third fix, which is clearing Discord cache. This is one of the most effective solutions because cached files can become corrupted over time. Press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata% and press Enter. A File Explorer window will open. Find the Discord folder, then delete it. After that, press Windows key and R again, type %localappdata% and press Enter. In this second folder location, find the Discord folder again and delete that one too. Don't worry, Discord will rebuild these files when you launch it again. Once both folders are removed, reopen Discord, let it re-download the necessary files, and sign back into your account. At this point, one of these fixes should resolve Discord error code 2007 and get you back into the app normally. If the problem is gone, great. If not, try repeating the steps carefully, especially the cache reset, because that often makes the biggest difference. And remember, if you want more quick and simple troubleshooting guides like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.